I go by the name Nate Betty. Some of y'all might already know me from Instagram under the handle Nate Betty. I hope YouTube welcomes Nay and you guys become part of the family. So I'm currently a second year University of Pretoria student. I am going to be focusing a lot more on uni events, uni vlogs, campus life, everything student life, just basically that. So that's what my content will be centered on, especially gym, fitness, lifestyle. I think I'm gonna incorporate that a lot because I'm in that space right now. So yeah, I hope you guys follow my channel and you guys become part of this family. Subscribe, like, comment. Yeah, so today I have quite an eventful day. I am moving back to Res. It's currently 12 March and school has already commenced like 3 weeks back, so I have quite a lot of catching up to do. I personally wouldn't advise staying out of school for that long because I might struggle to find accommodation, but luckily or hopefully because I'm a returning student, I might be lucky and get my old room. So yeah, this video will follow a series of me packing and unpacking my clothes, a mini room tour, grocery shopping, and me basically moving into it. So yeah, that's what will be in this video. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let's grow the family. Let's get right into the video. I'm at rest. It's the 14th of 14th of March, Tuesday. I just came back from the shopping mall unboxing. I bought this from Sheet Street. It was 60 rand. I bought this cloth. It was 15 rand. I bought this scrubs. They were 20 rand. I bought face cloth. It was 15 rand, I think. I also bought this beautiful candles. Love them. Love them. I got 2 of them. Love them. And I bought this. What do you call this? This bowl. It's like a jubilant bowl. Yeah, and that's it. Also got this glasses, 2 of them.